at y'all, and I'm back with another video. I ain't gonna lie, man, I'm hot as fuck right now. Look at my dog, man. What's up? Say something for the ball, man. Tell them boys what happened. She be beating her brother ass, man. I don't even play no games, they be fighting all the time. When she was whooping his ass, I be like, go. I'm selling her ass. Give me $2 million, you can have her ass. Matter of fact, psych! What I got for y'all today, I don't really know what to call it. I think it's the honk, the carp. I don't know, bro. I don't know what to call it. It's the beeping car prank, I guess. That's what I don't really know, but what I'm basically gonna do is I got this poster, right? I'm gonna write something like, honk if you think God is good, honk if you want $100. I want them to honk. I'm gonna put this on the back of the car, but not this car, but this one. I'm finna set this up so I can go ahead and do that. But put it on the back of her car. She got hella road rage, so man, I know she gonna be like, what? Like, why the fuck these people beeping at me? Like, why the fuck y'all keep beeping y'all horn at me and shit? So yeah, I know. Yeah, I know I'm gonna get a funny ass reaction. Y'all see what this, but first let me get the motherfucking intro poppin'. You did. He should have checked Carmelo.
Hear that, hear that. Give me that, I need that
Took a
too.
little baby cello.
Where the safe at, bro?
Ay.
Fuck, rocket launcher, Osama, what? In the kitchen, whipping ramen. Wait, that ain't notice. Whipping the white girl, Madonna. Oh, I meet a plug back on Wakanda. 2C, baby, I ain't driving no Honda. Dripping that water, ocean, Moana.
Hey! Hey, play Hey! That nigga go. That nigga go.
I don't play hockey, but I keep it stick. Your boyfriend, sorry. He the lick. 20 AGs, boy, I keep me a zip. Touchdown, fuck. Carson Wentz.
Alright, man, as y'all can see, I got got my poster. Like I said, it's a little fucked up because it was in the car for like 2-3 days. Got the marker. I bought a Sharpie, but I lost that hoe in the car as well. So I got all I need, man. I'm Gucci, you feel me? So what y'all think I should be write on this? First off, make sure y'all like this video. Yeah, home for good luck. That's it. That's the movie. I don't know if this can get all fancy with it. Gotcha. Look better now?
Nope.
Stop playing.
We Gucci. It's Albany. We Gucci. We Gucci. It's Albany, bro. We Gucci, bro. I'll be honest, people. If y'all saw this on the back of a car, would y'all honk? I'll honk. I don't know about y'all, but I'll honk. That's the kind of reaction I hope I get today. Once one person start honking, another person's gonna start honking. Another person's gonna start honking. I bet you gonna be like, what the fuck is going on? Like, I know I'm not driving crazy. I'm not driving too fast. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing that. Everybody still honking. You like, oh, like, what y'all got going on? Trying to fight or something? Like, this Albany, bro. So shit, that's the kind of reaction I think I'm gonna get. Man, make sure y'all like this video, man, cause it's gonna be a banger. Get this video to 1 million likes, man. Get this video to 1 million likes, you did. Man, it's Ja. If y'all not a part of the Ja Mob, all you gotta do is subscribe. Go ahead and post that notification so you can see when I post another video. It's too easy. Man, I know y'all fuck with me because you watching the video right now. Man, let's get back into this video though, man, because it's finna be a banger. Go ahead and get that next scene, you dig? Nope. Hey man, I know y'all want to see the rest of that video, man. Y'all gotta get this video to 15 likes, so smash that like button if y'all want to see a part 2 of this video. You did?
Niggas turn to foes. I seen the realest niggas turn to hoes. Drop a 4 in the soda and watch how it fizz. Niggas be hating and 30 with kids. I ain't even tripping, it is what it is. Worry about me, need to get on your shit.